guys, we're back with another episode of unboxing. So today we have unboxing video of CSR. Ta-da! So here's the album. It's called Sequence 7272. So we have the signatures of members. I think this is because we went to their showcase and got the album. Ta-da! So it opens like this. Oh, and it has something written on it. So it says, My First Love, 17. The members are all 17 years old. I guess this has mutual meanings for the first love, and also 17 as members are all 17. So let's open the booklet. It's pretty thick. Okay, so beginning, it has a little code that says me and 17. And then my 17 is blank. So I guess you can fill that up. Ooh, so there are individual photos of each members in the beginning. So there's more. Ooh. So I guess they really want to bring out the concept of being the first love. It's so cute. Definitely reminds us of our first love. So there are duo photos, just 2 of them. Okay, cute. Some more duo photos. Then there's another duo photo. Then there's trio. Ooh, and then group photos. So there are 7 members. Here are the group photos. More group photos. They're wearing uniforms. Cute. Okay, and then there is a letter written by each members. So I guess you can read them later. Cute, cute. There's more letters. And then we have informations about each song. Nice. Okay. Okay, so this was it for the book, and let's see the goodies inside. So first, we have the CD. Ta-da! Oh, it's really cute. It has heart, flower shape. It's really pretty, cute. Okay. And then what is this? This one's an envelope. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, so there's a photo card. So this is Yeham, so cute. It has her signature in the back. And then there's photo of another member. And there are more photos of them. Okay. Messages are also written on the back. Cute. And what is this? Oh, this one, it has a letter written by a member. How cute. There are a lot of cute pictures. Okay. And then there's the sticker. So you can take it and put it on a poster or something. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, it stands. I guess you can make it to put it on your desk or something. Cute. They stand like this. Okay, so this was it for the CSR's album, Sequence 7272. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.